Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. Hopefully this one is better. So the beta is still going on. Let me know if you like me singing. Anywho, so I'm not usually the one to steal somebody else's ideas, but I need to credit the initial source. So the initial source, the original source, is Jackie Chu from Indexy, a great channel. He's publishing daily, I think, lots of insights. He's earning money with SEO. He's got an SEO agency. He's got a SaaS business and whatnot. He is actually doing what he's teaching. And the video I was most interested in is this one. This is called I Paid Fiverr to Boost My DR case study. And recently he got an updated video, I paid Fiverr for SEO and it worked. And in his video he's basically talking about creating a link farm. A link farm is a website that has been created with the sole purpose of selling guest posts and link insertions. And those websites are usually not legit websites in a sense that the statistics is inflated. And the thing is that SEO agencies are always on the hunt for new backlinks, and they often don't do their due diligence. And if the domain passes some, formal criteria like DR 30 and above, 500 referring domains, and 1000 plus in traffic, many SEOs and many agencies will just tick the box and request the price. Domain that I'm going to review, and you know that domain, it's called Parents of Towns, you can check it out. I don't have 500 referring domains, I don't have 1000 in traffic, and I just got my first guest post and my link insertion. So the guest post I sold for $40, and the link insertion is usually twice the cost of guest post, so it was $20. And I didn't do any outreach, so a person reached out to me asking me if I could sell the two, guest posts and link insertions, which I did. And the best thing is that it all cost me $40. So I went on Fiverr, I used two of the Indexy's suggestions, and yeah, the DR showed up. This is Black Hat SEO. Don't try this on your money websites. But anywho, so if you're able to increase your DR from 0 to 50, there are a couple of things you can do with it. So first, I kind of covered, you can sell guest posts and link insertions, and this is one of the quickest ways of making money with SEO, although not very ethical. The second one is the one that I'm experimenting with. It's called tiered links, tiered backlinks. So the idea is that you have your money website and you have your inflated website, and instead of trying to do that DR manipulation on your main website, what you do is you inflate another website, and then you basically create a guest post or a link insertion on that website pointing to your money website. And instead of trying to fight off thousands of black hat backlinks, if that doesn't work out, you can just block this one link, this one website, if everything goes sour. But I did try that, and my DR of one of my main websites actually increased and improved. So not only did I get a guest post, which paid off for my Fiverr gig, I also helped my main site improve DR as well. Let's go to Ahrefs. So this is the website that I'm talking about. You know that website, Parents of Towns. And you can see the traffic is only 6. It does get a lot more traffic than this, but not 1,000. And if you look at the DR, so let's just single out the DR here. This is what happened. So it was DR of 9 as early as February 2, and then it just showed up. And it did that in iterations, so it went up to 31, 35, 39, 41, 42, dropped down to 41. And this gig is actually running. And there are two gigs that Jackie Chu suggests. So this first one is Ahrefs DR 50 plus for $40, and this one here is Ahrefs DR up to 40, which is $40 again. And they do work very differently, so I tried them both. So this guy here, he is actually just boosting your DR, and you won't see anything sketchy. You just got an inflated DR. Let me show you another side that I'm not ready to review yet. As you can see, I got the same number of backlinks and referring domains as I did before, but the DR just showed up from 0 to 50, and it remains at 50. And this is this guy here. This guy here, which is still working on my project, this is where the manipulation is most prominent. You see that I got 3,500 backlinks, and those are mainly redirects. So if somebody were to take a look, they would notice manipulation, but they wouldn't with this guy here. But then again, I would have to hire somebody else to take care of the referring domains and the backlinks. And this is actually a case study in a nutshell. So it only costs you $40 to improve your DR from 0 to 50. You can create a link farm I did it as an experiment, and I wasn't expecting to land my first guest post and link insertion within a week after my DR got higher. But if you want to do this in a proper way, you would need to take care of the referring domains, and you would have to have some existing traffic. So the best use case would be an age domain that's getting 1,000 plus traffic that you're not monetizing, that's just sitting there. So 1,000 traffic is nothing, it's easy to do. I used to have a dogs website, which is savefordogs.com, and it easily got 5,000 plus traffic, but the domain rating was like 2. So that would have been a perfect client, so to speak, for a link farm, because then I would just have to order the gig and I would be just basically accepting guest posts and link insertions. The other way is a tiered approach, is when you're inflating the DR of your website with the single purpose of transferring some of that SEO juice to your main website. This is tricky, this is risky, but I don't think it's as risky as just using this manipulation technique on your main website. And so you saw how many referring domains and redirects I got. So if they were to go south, I would have to disallow all of them. I would have to clean through those links. But here you can just, disallow one link, one URL, and that's it. Before you go, check out Vast Universe for exclusive community discounts, industry-first courses like AI Detection Ninja, like Niche Hunter, and free resources as well. Also, you can order a consultation with me and look at the reviews. Hope this was helpful. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time.